Hello everyone. Today I'm reflecting on our session regarding conducted and radiated network media. A fundamental concept that I learned that is that the world of computer networks simply could not exist without a medium to transfer data. We can divide these into two primary categories: conducted media, which uses a physical path like copper or glass, and wireless or radiated media, which expects itself acts as a medium for electromagnetic waves. In our first activity, we explored connected media, twisted pair, twisted pair. I learned that twisting the wires is a specific technique used to eliminate electromagnetic interference between the two wires. And coaxial cable, this uses braided metal seals to carry a wider bandwidth of frequencies. And fiber optic cable. Well, it uses thin glass fibers, barely thicker than a human hair to transmit pulse of light, which is amazing. And then we then moved to the radiated media. I learned that in wireless transmission, space is the medium. We explore different technologies based on their frequencies and applications, terrestrial microwave, these are land-based, line of sight systems, typically placed 20, 30 miles apart. A key insight here is that these signals will not pass through solid objects, and satellite microwave, cellular systems, and so on. And about the tools and techniques, the lab it allowed us to apply this concept through two main techniques like physical identification, along to distinguish cable types such as nothing, the layer of insulation and sealing in coaxial versus fiber optic cables. Second, we use the wire structure to capture, you know, we learned about the wire side to capture and analyze the traffic. Um, and then about the real world application and selection criteria about these things. Major thing is that applying media selection criteria to real world scenarios. We learned that selecting media isn't about speed. It requires a balance of six factors: cost, speed, distance, and expandability, right of way, environment, and security. And about the challenges and insights. One challenge is that even the advanced system have weakness. For example, for free space optics can severely disrupted by fog. And then my biggest insight was the trade-off between security and cost. Copper-based media are easy to tap, whereas fiber is far more secure because it doesn't emit electromagnetic signals. Ultimately, this system, it taught me that there is no best medium. The right choice depends on the specific environmental and business needs. Thank you. With that, I would like to conclude my presentation here. And yeah, thank you. See you.